Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can install LibreOffice on your TV. And today I'm not in my main machine, so I'm in my other machine. So I hope it will not lag this video, okay? Because this computer is very stuck and it's very slow to use it. So for other things, I have to use this computer to record. Okay. So yesterday should be a video coming, but yesterday I went outside and I have not edited the video. So today the video will be coming. After editing that videos, I'll tell you. So now let's open your web browser. You just open your web browser and type LibreOffice. LibreOffice. Okay. LibreOffice. Now click on this link. Close this link. Okay. So you can see LibreOffice 7.3 is here. Click on download now. Download. What is asking? Yeah, it's downloading. Okay, it's downloading. I hope it will download fast. Okay. Yes, so just a moment. Okay, it's going. So I just stopped the recording. After it finished downloading, I'll just continue. The video has been downloaded. So now open the web browser and you can see that video has been downloaded. No, not video. So the exe file has been downloaded. Okay, so let's close browser. Open File Explorer. Go to downloads. In here, okay, I have the LibreOffice exe file. Open that file at the moment. Preparing to install. Welcome to the installation wizard for LibreOffice 7.3.0.3. Next, custom. LibreOffice will be installed the different default components including user interface, languages and spelling directions matching your current language settings. You just put it typically. Okay, so now let's put next. Create a shortcut. Let's install. It may take several minutes. Okay, yes. No, it's installing fast. So it's asking then close the applications and attempt to restart them. Don't close up there. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's going on. So what it asked for is we are using OBS Studio at the moment and installing this, and it's showing that it should reboot the machine, okay, while downloading. But I just put that don't close applications. After that I'll reboot. Okay, so it's copying files. Let's see. So I have to tell you one thing, that if you install LibreOffice, you will get all the things like spreadsheet. In Microsoft, you will see that Access database. In here, it's base, libre base, I think. Yeah. Go fast, dude. Fast. I'm waiting. So this video If you hear from any sound, please apologize because this is my other machine. So I'm trying my best to put a clarity and good useful videos, but I have to edit all things is there to do. Yes. So yesterday itself I made that video and I didn't upload it. Okay. So yeah, made that video and I didn't edit. I made that video but I didn't edit. As soon as possible I edit because I did it in a hurry thing. And you can see that the icon came and still installing. It's going. Okay. Oh, LibreOffice right here. LibreOffice safe mode. Okay, good, go, nice. Let's refresh the thing. So, okay, it's going. LibreOffice right here. Wow, dude. You can see this is all not the real applications. This is all link. This is not real word. Finish. You must restart your system for the configuration changes you made to LibreOffice to take effect. Click yes to restart now, no to if you plan to restart later. It is asking for restart, so I just stop the recording, restart my machine, come and record the next clip. Okay, so bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. So I just restarted my machine. So you can see the LibreOffice is here. I just open it. Okay. So this okay, it's opening. Nice. Good. 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 Okay. Okay. The library has been installed and it's opening at the moment. It's loading. Yes. We got LibreOffice. Just make it full screen. Yeah. You can see base, database, mathematical formula, drawing, impress, presentation, calculation and writing document. Let's open a write document. Okay. Then type something. Okay. So okay. So just type okay. So I was typing so fast. Okay, so my hand will go here and there. So it's very good. And if you want guys to put like a database things, okay, database, mathematical database. I'll just open a LibreOffice again. Okay, wait a minute. On database, you don't say. Okay, so you have the database thing. So SQL database, create a new next. Okay, so I'll just save as my first database. So it's asking for Java. LibreOffice refers to 64-bit Java runtime environment. To perform this task, please install JRE and install LibreOffice. Okay. So it is telling that we have to put a Java thing, I think. So the next video we are going to see how you can use access database, how you can use this thing. I hope you enjoy the video, but this video will be some laggy stuff, so please apologize for. Thanks for watching. For more videos and for more shortcuts and for more videos like this installing apps and for more Python introductions, Python things, subscribe now. Bye bye. And I forgot to tell you that we are going to start Python introduction video and we'll go on. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.